Engine Basics. Hello and welcome to this session on Engine Basics. We have already seen previously that the engine produces power which is used to move the rear wheels of the motorbike. But do you actually know how the engine that powers a motorbike works? Understanding the working of the engine, which is the heart of the motorcycle, is essential to understand how power is generated and used to propel the vehicle. This also makes your job of diagnosing and correcting problems associated with these functions much easier, which in turn saves time and effort. But before we understand how the engine works, we need to first familiarize with the parts of an engine. In this session, we will learn about the engine and its parts. An engine is basically a device that produces power to move a vehicle. It converts the mixture of air and fuel into rotary motion, which is used to turn the wheels of a motorcycle. It also indirectly generates the electricity needed for the lights and other devices of a motorcycle. Now, let us take a closer look at the engine of a motorbike. As you can see here, this is the motion which is continuously occurring inside the engine. An engine is a group of assembled parts designed to change heat energy of fuel into useful mechanical energy. Now, let us see each of the parts of an engine. Cylinder. Cylinder is the main part of an engine. It is the part in which combustion of fuel takes place. Piston. Piston is a cylindrical structure with a flat surface at the top. It is the component that moves up and down in an engine cylinder. It compresses the fuel-air mixture. Piston rings. Piston rings are placed in the grooves on the circumference of the piston to reduce friction between the piston and the walls of the cylinder. Crankshaft. It is the shaft which converts the linear motion of the piston into rotary motion. This is used to rotate the wheels of the vehicle. Crankcase. A crankcase is a metallic cover that holds together the crankshaft and its attachments. Connecting rod. The connecting rod connects the piston to the crankshaft. The big end of the connecting rod is connected to the crank and it freely rotates over it. The smaller end of the connecting rod is connected to the piston. The connecting rod changes the sliding motion of the piston into rotating movement of the crankshaft. Valves. Valves control the inlet and the exhaust air to go into and out of the engine cylinder. Spark plug. The spark plug supplies the spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture so that combustion can occur. The spark must happen at just the right moment for things to work properly. With that, we have come to the end of the session. In this session, we learned that the main components of an engine are cylinder, piston, piston rings, crankshaft, crankcase, connecting rod, valves, and spark plug. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you.